Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to use search wave to add WhatsApp group profile photo. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your WhatsApp app and open your group, and now tap on your group subject and tap on group profile photo and tap on search wave and enter here the search keyword, and now select any photo for your group profile picture, and you can crop the photo. You can rotate by clicking on this icon here, then tap on done. So that's how you can do it. If this video helpful, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.